Saharan dust that's
Yes,
coming this
Love
way?
the dust.
That and kind of a opposite or poor phase for development, what we call the Madden-Julian oscillation, kind of a technical term, meaning conditions are not favorable across the Atlantic basin right now. That plus the Saharan dust means we should stay quiet for at least the next 7 days, maybe even the next 2 weeks.
All right, good, wonderful.
Of course, the peak of the season is not until September 10th. We still have a long way to go. We'll talk about the tropics, which again, quiet for us right now. But more to the point, we've got our more typical summer pattern, which boring in the summer is great news. Just daily heat, normal mid-July heat, and afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And most of our rainfall that we did see today was a little bit heavier. Bayou parishes and a little bit more toward Morgan City have since wound down. Lafayette, still some ongoing thunderstorms. And what showers that we did have around parts of Livingston, St. Helena, and into Tangipahoa Parish have now since fizzled out. Model a little bit more aggressive with the ongoing showers, but indicating as those showers are wrapping up, probably won't see any additional rain for the rest of the evening and into the night tonight, although got some big stoking storms across parts of St. Tammany and Hancock, as well as Pearl River County last night. During the day tomorrow, again, scattered showers, maybe about a 30–40% chance during the day, and then likely seeing those rain chances beginning to increase by Wednesday, but more so later in the week thanks to an approaching front. We'll talk more about that in a second. Right now outside, though, mostly cloudy skies. 86 our current reading, though still feels like 100 degrees. Just can't get rid of that humidity. 91 was our high, and really what put a stop to those temperatures from hitting the mid-90s was some nearby thunderstorms as well as increasing cloud cover. Now, only had a trace of rain at Kenner, but if you can get the rain nearby, or if nothing else, get some cloud cover, it does help us out with our afternoon temperatures. Generally upper 80s, low 90s on the map right now, and still a bit of a heat index well above 100 degrees at many locations. Still kind of hanging on to the milder temperatures where we had those showers a little bit ago, and we will see another heat advisory during the day tomorrow with heat indices near and just above 110 degrees. Reason for the constant heat, this upper high, although we do have enough of a little upper energy and a little bit of a southerly flow to help with rain chances today, and that will kind of get a bump as we had an upper trough that will start deepening toward the middle of this coming week. What this upper trough is going to do is one, kind of weaken the upper high, but also bring down kind of a weak frontal boundary and a little bit more instability. So by Wednesday and especially into the end of the week, this weakness in the high and the upper troughing should increase our rain chances Friday and on into the weekend. Not a complete washout this weekend, but right now rain chances for Saturday and Sunday looking to hover at around 60, maybe even 70% because of the base of this upper troughing, and we're going to get kind of a weak upper low right over the northwestern Gulf. That should keep our rain chances higher going into much of next week. So it has been more of just our scattered showers and thunderstorms to yesterday and today, even tomorrow, will become a little bit more numerous as we continue on through the rest of the week. But with the break in the summer heat, I will take it. We've got some scattered showers, thunderstorms during the day tomorrow, probably a little bit more during the day on Wednesday, but the wettest day looking to be probably on Friday as that frontal system starts moving south. And in fact, for Thursday, as the front starts to approach, low-end threat for street flooding Mississippi and into Louisiana. And then for Friday, all of our area will be under that risk of some street flooding. Again, doesn't look like it'll be a widespread issue, but certainly some isolated downpours could provide some rainfall. On the whole, only about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. That's really looking at more Thursday and Friday, and then some localized higher amounts are certainly possible. Quick check of the tropics, as mentioned, because of that Saharan dust, we are not anticipating any development over the next 7 days. In fact, a lot of the climatology of that Saharan dust moving in says it's the most we have seen in the last couple of years. So this abundance of that Saharan dust should keep the basin quiet for a while. In fact, I was mentioning some models keeping us quiet for the next 2 weeks. Take it a day at a time, though. About a 40% chance tomorrow, 50 to 60 for Wednesday, Thursday, kind of increasing more so. Friday and on into probably mid next week, our rain chances on the higher side.
Loving that dust. Brian.